Welcome back to the Lapis Guides Introduction to QGIS tutorials. In the last tutorial, we learned how to download satellite imagery using the semi-automatic classification plugin from within QGIS. Today we're going to learn how to merge multiple satellite image files together. Right, there are a few different ways to do this, but in my opinion, the easiest and the fastest is we can go to raster, miscellaneous, merge. Right, we're gonna, for our input layers, we're going to choose band 2 and band 2. Now this only works if you've already got your bands loaded into your layers panel. If you don't, you can always go to add files and you can add it from here. Right? But since we have them loaded, we can just check the correct boxes. We only want to merge similar bands together. So band 2 and band 2. Right? And our merged file, we want to save this. Our merged file, we want to save into a folder that we've created for merged files. This will be merged band 2. We'll run that. And this may take a little bit, but just be patient. All right, so it's done processing the first one. We actually don't need to keep this one and this one in our layer panel anymore because it just takes away processing space. I'm going to bring in that file, the merged B2. There it is. All right, which means I can also get rid of this one. Right, it just helps speed things up a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to merge both band 4s and both band 3s as well, and then we'll move on from there. Right, so I'm going to remove all the files that aren't the ones that I need, and I'll bring in these two that I just created. If I uncheck one of these boxes, you can see that the layer underneath takes a little while to load. You can see that the layer underneath looks a little bit different, right? They've all got a slightly different grayscale pattern, and that's because they're taking pictures of a different wavelength, right? Each band corresponds to a different wavelength. So that's where we're going to end this tutorial. You've now learned how to merge two satellite image bands together.